I'm in Iquitos, Peru, and I heard that there is a plant nursery down the road. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. We're gonna jump on this motorcycle because I wanna check it out if we can. Let's go. Dog fighting. ¿Dónde venden plantas? ¿Vivero? ¿Vivero de plantas?
Más adelante
¿Están lejos?
kilómetro 7.5.
We found it. It's right through there. Go check it out. So here's the entry. Looks like it goes pretty far back. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, check it out. They got crepe myrtle. Got some different types of bird of paradise, some ixora. Here's another bird of paradise. Crasandra and some pepper plants. Looks like they're growing everything in these plastic bag pots, and they seem to be using a lot of rice hulls in their soil mix. That looks like a part of Barbados bird of paradise. Here's the ají charapita peppers. I see these everywhere. I'm not sure what they are. They almost look like they're related to poinsettias. They might be. Same with this. They're a little more fuzzy on the skin. I got a huge bougainvillea just growing up over here. Let's see what else we can find. We got some, mine's growing blank. Cordyline. Took me a minute to remember cordyline. Hey, we got lantana. ¿Y a cuánto están las plantas? Dependiendo. Como de este tamaño más o menos. It's a nice little crepe myrtle. They got some big, like, landscape crotons here. Oh, and a dog. Hey, puppy. There's dog Jazz. Oh, these look like little citrus trees. Little starter citrus trees, not sure what kind. He said most of the plants along this size, which are like maybe a 2-gallon size pot, those would be like 10 or 7 soles, so basically like $3. These palms are nice. Man, I would go crazy if I had a house here. I'd be planting all kinds of stuff. Check this out. Sprouted coconuts. Have you ever seen that before? So there you go. They're already rooted into the ground, but they'll pop these out of the ground for you. And then you can grow coconut trees at home. So he said we can check out over here, and we can also go to the other side. There's more plants. Got a bunch of palms. Not sure what species of palms those are, but they are pretty. They look nice and healthy. Hey, there's a canna. We even have some sad looking little coleus here. A lot of crotons. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but that's pretty. These look like cacao. So if you're wanting to grow chocolate, they got cacao trees, starters there. And we got a couple vinca. It's a red ixora. That's really pretty. A lot of crotons. I'm not seeing like elephant ears here. I wonder if they have them back over on the other side. Another pretty bougainvillea. Okay, going back over to this side. This looks like a mango starter tree. They look like they do a lot of propagating here. You can see some of the propagations they got going on in these little plastic cups. So this place seems to specialize more in the outdoor palms, a little bit of fruit trees, and landscape shrubs. I'm not seeing any of the like elephant ears or aeroids or anything like that that you would also find in the tropics, but maybe we'll look for another one that specializes in those things. Or we might just go home. Oh, this is unexpected. There's a climbing rose here. Not sure what type of climbing rose, but you don't see that very often here. Oh, and we got white Mexican heather right there. Oh, Jasmine just found something cool. This is a butylon, so it's related to hibiscus, but the flowers are actually downturned, so if you let go of that flower, they hang down like little lanterns. Alright, cool. Ooh, I've seen these before. These get huge. I think they call them, if I'm not mistaken, bleeding heart vine. I've actually seen big ones here in Iquitos before. Okay, so the guy at the last place told us we need to check out this place, El Bamboo, because they're gonna have elephant ears and the stuff that the other place didn't have. So let's go see. That is a coconut tree. Those are baby coconuts. You can actually see it's blooming. There's little bugs on the flowers up there. And then those are the first developing coconuts. Those are about the size of big mangoes. And then they get bigger over here. So I've been here before, but Jasmine hasn't been here before. So we got some caladiums. Yeah, her stuff here looks, overall just looks healthier. Let's take a look, see what we can find. Estas ají dulce. I'm having a brain fart on what these are called. I'll remember later. We have some cool copper plants here. Got a big old crown of thorns. This place has a crazy mix of stuff. It's a lot more colorful here. Vincas are like 3 feet tall. There's some coleus. Blooming. Oh, they have zinnias. Huh. Interesting. And the butterflies are on them, just like they would be in the US. Different kinds of butterflies here, though. Oh, man. There's too much to take in. We got some syngonium. Got a snake plant. Little bitty cactus of some sort. We got the purple heart, Tradescantia. We got Moses in the cradle. There's pothos just climbing wild there. Irises. Huh. I wouldn't expect to see iris here. Got some euphorbia, cacti. You just hanging out in the shade over there? It's pretty hot. Lemongrass. Some big euphorbia over there. Let's see what they have in the shade section over here. We got some calatheas. What is this? A big, like, esqueleto? A few of them here. Those are nice. Really nice. Got a Dieffenbachia. Got some kind of blue colored baby's tears. And then this one, which I'm drawing a blank on as well at the moment. Some different ferns. Snake plant. Some peace lilies, it looks like, down there. They got a little bit of everything here. Jasmine is asking about this. This is some type of philodendron. It's got some variegation to it. It almost reminds me of the leaf shape of a gloriosum. It's huge, by the way. But it's not a gloriosum, I think, but some type of philodendron. Whoa, look at these. What in the world? I don't know what those are. This looks like Cobra Monstera, Aglaonema, Syngoniums, more snake plants up there. This place also has a second story, so definitely want to go up there and check that out. That looks like a corpse flower of some sort, if I'm not mistaken. Got another type of euphorbia here, kind of similar to like the stardust euphorbia, but a little more wild looking. Some type of crazy orchid on this tree that just got done blooming. Here's a really nice Dieffenbachia. I don't know if I've seen this variety before. It's pretty. A little agloe and a little aloe. There's another Dieffenbachia that I haven't seen. It's got super white stems, and then these just random white blotches and white veins. That's nice. What is this, like a, oh man, I sell these and I can't remember the name of them. It's a really nice specimen and it's only 40 soles, so like $12. Tiny little pot. That's cute. Yeah. a little cute stuff over there. Got supplies over there. All right, you want to head upstairs and see what they got? Ooh, my oh my! Look at this purslane. Focus. That is pretty. What's going on here? Some type of, I don't know what that is. Some type of sedum hanging over the side of the wall. Crown of thorns. Bougainvilleas. What is that? Okay. Up top, Crotonville. Hey, dog. Came out from nowhere. We're up on this hill. Look, there's the jungle. Got some cool stuff over here. There's a big sago palm. All right, up here we got all kinds of stuff. This little variegated peperonia. Got some more philodendrons. ZZ plants. Heck yeah. What's going on down here? Oh. Wow, there's plants everywhere up here. What in the world? What is this? That is cool. This looks like it might be the sensitive plant. Nope. Hey, this one's blooming. Wow, that is so silver. That's pretty. Hey, a begonia. No. Yeah. It just stinks that I can't take anything home with me from here back to the US. There's just a lot of cool stuff. If I was gonna grab something, I would definitely be getting this. That's so super cool. We're gonna head back now. Here's the view of the nursery from above. Cute little place. Oh, I didn't even see that earlier. Look at this. Wow, look at that bromeliad blooming. That is so cool.